Whoa, 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 whoa. Before you do anything, you can either watch this video or clink. What the hell? Click the link in the description. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Just click the link in the description. That's all you got to do. Watch this video, then click the link in the description. But if you have to choose between clicking the link in the description or watch this video, click the link in the description, then come back to this video. Thank y'all for supporting. Let's get it. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. Yup, you see it. Drying my hair. First time for everything on the channel. Because I got all the lights on. It's kind of bright. I had like a freaking allergy attack. Now I can't stop sneezing. All that good stuff. I'm cold. There's a whole lot of stuff going on. Yeah, I just got this new unboxing. It literally came in the box, so I don't think I'm BSing. Literally right here, I took off all the tags, but unboxing. We got the Jordan 1 lows right here. You know, the brown mochas, whatever you want to call it. Either way, you see the title, so let's get right into it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Join the squad. I'm feeling like crap, and I'm still filming the video for you guys. You can tell by my voice. Don't worry, I got my tea right there on the side. I'm gonna let it cool off for a bit, and I'm gonna film this and post this for you guys. Yeah, that's about it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 1,000 subs, but we also trying to get to 400 plus. So join the squad, share the video, like the video, comment, whatever you want, because as well, I respond to all my comments. So let's get right to it. Ladies, hit the Instagram. Fellas, keep supporting your boy. Yeah, look at my eyes, probably red as shit, red as the devil's dick. But let's get right to it. Y'all see the title. Alright, so off rip, Jordan 1 low, shiny box, nothing too special. This is a woman's shoe, of course. A&1/2 right there, boom. So that might be a 7 men's, 7 men's. Yeah, that's about it. I got this off of Finish Line. Yeah, they had restock. Not even restock. I think it's just dropping lows and mids in the past days. So I picked this up from Finish Line. It came about less than a week. The regular 23 paper. Now these, I think maybe it'll do better long term in small sizes. I don't know how these are doing in the market between if it's small sizes is better or big sizes is better. All I know is I got a small size because whatever. I did try to get a second pair. I'm not going to go back and get the screenshot because like I said in the intro, I'm not feeling too good, so I'm not going to do more work on my behalf. But I will explain. I literally hit a second pair, but because JD and Finish Line be sucking mad, you know what? They canceled my second pair. So it's all good, but not really because I actually hit a size, what, 12 it was? 12 and 8.5. It would have been good to... Shit. Okay. And if I get any snot anywhere, just know the clip is going to be chopped, and y'all can't see me like that. I'm down out and bad with this damn allergy attack. But let's get right into the sneaker. Right here, hold up, quick thumbnail. Boom. Either way, this thing is pretty cool. I'm surprised a couple years back they didn't drop these, like when the mochas was hot, Travis Scott's. You know, all these brown. Now you come out of nowhere with this brown. It's like, did the hype die down on brown? Let me know in the comments right now. Is brown still the top 3 colorways? Because you know we had brown, we had the UNC blue. Now it seems like it's the lightning, and what else they have that they're making everything yellow. How you know it's a trend when it comes from Jordans to lows, mids, highs, of course, and then you start getting dunks like this. So now you know there's a brown dunk that's circulating as well. So you let me know, is brown still top 3 colorway, or did the hype die down for brown? There's really not too much. It's the color padding, you know, with the typical white color blocking with the brown on the outer. But not too much crazy on the detail. Like I said, I don't know if the light's too bright. But yeah, you got 23 on the little tongue right there. And then you got the, you know, the whole thing. You got the brown Jumpman logo. And then, of course, the back, you know, you got the Air Jordan with the wings. The bottom is brown, so it's not black. What else on this? I don't know why they call lows and mids. They scared to just call it a regular low. Why do you have to call it a woman's? Like, what's the point of calling this a woman's? Just make it a Jordan 1 low. Guys will cop, women will cop, kids will cop, whatever it is. But you let me know what you think about these in the comments, as well as, you know, it's a two-part question in the comments. Did brown die down as a hype colorway? And do you like these? Did you cop these? Did you know about these? Any details about these, let me know in the comments. I want to speak to you guys. That's why I asked you guys for your comments. And by now, we should be able to get some community comment and interaction now that we're on our way to almost 400 subs. We shouldn't have to wait till we hit 500 or whatever the case is, or let alone 1,000. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. I don't know if they're gonna be dropping worldwide again, like since Finish Line had them. Sometimes Finish Line, JD Sports does have early pairs, and they'll drop online even if everyone else doesn't. But they might drop these later down the week or so on the Nike app. So stay tuned and, you know, keep checking. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. Maybe this might be a quick drop and price either stays up, goes up, whatever it is. They should be dropping more pairs, because I feel like this didn't even drop anywhere. So besides Finish Line and JD Sports. But let me know what you guys think about these. Is this a nice colorway? Put it closer. Brown, mocha brown, Jordan 1 low. I'll look at the box in a second just to give you guys the official marked color. They called this the white bronze eclipse white. White bronze eclipse white. Like, how much whites can you call it? You get what I'm saying? Either way, this is how it looks. One final look. Let me know if this is a beauty. Is this a sleeper? Would you cop if you saw it? Or would you pass? Let me know. Cop or pass? But that's it for me, guys. I do have, I think, another shoe in the mail. That's also a new shoe. So we will be doing a review once that shoe comes as well as I have more clothing review to do. So we'll get into that as the weeks go by on. Hopefully I get a lot of videos filmed before I dip. My birthday's coming up November 3rd, Scorpio gang. Y'all know what's up. Yeah, because I got another vacation to go on. So, you know, it's not just vacation, it's also business. I'm also filming a video out there, music video. For the people that know my main channel, check out that link. Well, no, if you're watching this now, like I said, there's only one link in the bio. Go check it out. And yeah, that's it. Link in the bio. That's the only link you need to click on. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Your boy Little Roy is out, and I'll see you guys in the next vid. Like I said, ladies, hit the Instagram. That's about it. Catch me on the flip side. You feel me?